Hello everyone and welcome back to the DET Practice channel. Today we're going to walk through some essential tips for the Speak About the Photo task that appears on the Duolingo English Test. Let's start by understanding what this task involves. This important component requires you to speak about the image below for 90 seconds. You'll have 20 seconds to observe a square-shaped photo on the screen, which typically features real people, animals, or scenery. After those 20 seconds, the recording will start automatically, though you may choose to start manually. It's crucial to remember that you only have one chance to record your response. An important note, throughout the entire Duolingo English test, you are not allowed to use any paper, pens, or electronic devices for note-taking, so you'll need to rely on your mental preparation. Now, let's discuss the scoring criteria so you know exactly what examiners are looking for. Your response will be evaluated based on 6 key elements: relevance of content, coherence, grammar, fluency, vocabulary, and pronunciation. Understanding these criteria will help you focus your preparation effectively. Moving on to our answering strategies, let's break them down one by one. First and foremost, maximize the 20-second preparation time. Use these precious seconds wisely to observe the image and prepare your response. Identify the focus and main theme of the picture. Who is the subject? Where are they? What are they doing? Quickly think of relevant vocabulary and mentally practice pronunciation. Since you cannot take notes, you'll need to memorize these key points during your preparation time. If time permits, note other significant details or background elements in the image. Once your preparation time is over and you begin speaking, start with a general description. This means broadly describing the main subject of the photo, such as what kind of person, animal, or scene is depicted and what action is taking place. This creates a solid foundation for your response. After establishing this foundation, you'll want to add specific details. Follow up with detailed descriptions. For example, mention the subject's clothing colors, the surrounding environment, and other noticeable features. Imagine you're describing the picture to someone who cannot see it. This approach ensures clarity and richness in your response. The next step is to include logical inferences. After describing the observable details, use clues from the photo to make logical assumptions. For instance, if the subject is wearing sunglasses and a summer dress, you might infer that the photo was taken on a sunny day. These inferences demonstrate your analytical thinking skills. If you find yourself with extra time, don't worry. You can add imaginative elements. Speculate about what might have happened before or after the moment captured in the image. This adds depth to your response and utilizes the remaining time effectively. Throughout your entire response, focus on clarity and continuity. Remember, there are no right or wrong answers for subjective questions. If you encounter difficulty finding words, use simple vocabulary or rephrase ideas to maintain fluency. Avoid long pauses or hesitations as they can interrupt the flow of your speech. To help you visualize what a good response looks like, let me share an example. Here is a photo of a man exercising outdoors. A strong response might sound like this. Alright, so there's this guy who's really into his fitness routine. He's outside, probably at a park or somewhere with a lot of greenery around. The background has this old brick wall with vines crawling up it, giving off a rustic vibe. He's wearing a bright red jacket, which makes him stand out against the natural surroundings. Underneath, he's got a black shirt going on. He's got short hair, neatly trimmed, and he's wearing a pair of headphones around his neck. I bet he's got some motivational tunes queued up for his workout session. He's holding an orange resistance band, stretching it out to the sides. It looks like it could be early morning or late afternoon. The lighting suggests it's not too harsh, perfect for an outdoor workout without getting overheated. Considering his attire and equipment, it's clear he's serious about maintaining his physical health. Maybe he's training for a marathon or simply wants to stay in top shape. By exercising outdoors, he seems to be connecting with nature and finding peace amidst his rigorous workouts. It's inspiring to see someone prioritize self-care in such a holistic manner. Notice how this response covers general description, specific details, logical inferences, and even adds some imaginative elements about the person's motivations and lifestyle. In conclusion, The Speak About the Photo task tests your ability to communicate effectively in English while describing visual content. By following these strategies, maximizing mental preparation during those 20 seconds, beginning with general descriptions, adding specific details, including logical inferences, adding imaginative elements when needed, and maintaining clarity and continuity, you'll be well equipped to excel in this portion of the Duolingo English test. That's all for today's video. If you found these tips helpful, please like and subscribe for more test preparation content. And we'll see you in our next video.